dudes, welcome back to RC Cars UK. Paddy with you here again. Now today we're checking out these rather lovely 2.2 Chinese branded beadlock wheels. Now I was browsing AliExpress the other day and it had all the usual designs from Injora and stuff like that, and I just saw these. They're a new design, they popped up, and I was just instantly fell in love with that beadlock for a start, which is very detailed, very cool. It's got sort of like a crusader sword on there, if you will, design emblem. And also the design of the wheel itself is a little bit unusual. Powder coated inserts. It's been anodized, the wheel itself, in this rather naff gold colour, but that can change, that can be taken off. These are CNC, and that's metal as well, the hub cap here. So mounted to a wheel, this is kind of what they look like. This is a rather large tire because it's going to be a large build, but you can see here, fit very nicely, no complaints fitment. I obviously just popped 2 screws on for now, I just popped them through just so you could get an idea of what they look like. But yeah, just wanted to show you these. I think they're pretty cool. Probably going to end up changing these gold coloured anodized wheels themselves to silver to match the body and stuff, but for now they're pretty good. Total price was about 30 quid, I think, 26 quid for all 4 of them, and then the tyres were extra. But yeah, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go and buy some yourself. Go and have a look, check them out. I think they're pretty cool. Cheers for watching, guys.